Unit 3, Forces of Nature. A. Vocabulary. Part 1, Nature Events and Disasters. Number 1, Heavy rain, heavy rain, 傾盆大雨. Number 2, Drought, drought, 旱災. Number 3, Thunder and lightning, thunder and lightning, 行雷閃電. Number 4, Typhoon, typhoon, 颱風. Number 5, Flood, flood, 水災. Number 6, Landslide, landslide, 山泥傾瀉. Number 7, Earthquake, earthquake, 地震. Number 8, Snowstorm, snowstorm, 暴風雪. A. Vocabulary. Part 2, Adjectives to describe people. Number 1, Brave, brave, 勇敢的. Number 2, Caring, caring, 關愛的. Number 3, Positive, positive, 積極的. Number 4, Creative, creative, 有創意的. Number 5, Generous, generous, 慷慨的. Number 6, Grateful, grateful, 感激的. Number 7, Keep calm, keep calm, 保持冷靜. Number 8, Patient, patient, 有耐性的. A. Vocabulary. Part 3, Extended Vocabulary. Number 1, Buildings, buildings, 建築物. Number 2, Shake, shake, 搖晃. Number 3, Emergency, emergency, 緊急情況. Number 4, Dam, dam, 水壩. Number 5, River, river, 河流. Number 6, Village, village, 村莊. Number 7, Mud, mud, 泥土. Number 8, Damage, damage, 破壞. Number 9, Overflow, overflow, 氾濫. Number 10, Furniture, furniture, 家具. Number 11, Firefighter, firefighter, 消防員. Number 12, Rescue team, rescue team, 拯救隊. Number 13, Donate, donate, 捐款. Number 14, Victim, victim, 受害者. Dictation. There was a powerful earthquake in Japan. The earthquake broke the dam on a nearby river and caused a safari flood. So we lost all the furniture and most of the school items and sports equipment. Questions. Number 1. What will happen if there is a typhoon? There will be heavy rain if there is a typhoon. Number 2. What do you need to be when you face natural disasters? We need to be calm and brave.